Hi guys, it's Shaun from Come Along with Shaun. Today I'll be listing all my favorite attractions at Hershey. First up, we have Candemonium. Bum bum bum! This ride is located in Hershey's Chocolate Town, right by the entrance of the park. I love the theme into all the different candies, and the ride vehicles even have the colors of Reese's, and the coaster has a big drop. Now we move to Founder's Way, which is home of Reese's Cup Fusion. You can ride it, but you can't eat it. Aww. It's a very similar ride to Men in Black Annual Reversal. In this ride, you become a security agent who has to protect the Reese's Crystal Cup from the evil Mint the Merciless. The cup collects people's love of chocolate and peanut butter. It's not the most cohesive storyline, but the ride is still a lot of fun. Over to the Hollow, we have the Comet. The Comet is a wooden coaster that opened all the way back in 1946. I love that Hershey has kept the classic ride around, and this ride just received new trains. Also in the Hollow is a super duper looper. I just love the name, Zopa Dopa Lupa. Next up is Kissin' Tower Hill, which is home of Triple Towers and Twin Turnpike. Triple Towers includes 3 towers of different sizes. There is one for Kisses, Reese's, and Hershey's. Great Drop Towers and Twin Turnpikes allows you to drive antique cars. It's a fun little drive. Next in the park is Pioneer Frontier, where we have a Jolly Rancher remix. Wiki, wiki, wiki. This boomerang coaster includes some fun music. Next to this ride is Mixed. It's a flat ride that spins you. 10 out of 10. Over to Midway America, where you have Wildcat's Revenge. This coaster uses both steel and wooden track. Very fresh. Also in Midway America is Laugh Track. This is an indoor spinning coaster with a super crazy circus theme. And Midway America also has Wild Mouse. I think it should be renamed Mousetrap. There's already a Wildcat ride, but I do love that it is themed to a mouse and has lots of quick, sharp turns. Moving on to Hershey's Boardwalk. There's East Coast Waterworks. This includes a splash pad, play area, and a big bucket that dumps water on guests. This area is lots of fun. Also on the boardwalk is the Breaker's Edge water coaster. It has the track of a roller coaster while still being a water ride. The physics of the ride is really interesting and very cool. And closing out the boardwalk is Tidal Force. What I love about this splashdown ride is that there is a splash zone for guests to stand outside the ride and still get wet. Then of course I have to say Hershey's Chocolate Tour Ride. It's right at the entrance of the park and is a must-do attraction for the first time park visitors. This slow-moving dark ride shows you the process of how Hershey makes their chocolate, and they give you a chocolate at the end of the ride. Last, I'll give an honorable mention to the Whip. This flat ride closed in 2022, but I really enjoyed this one. It was very thrilling. And those are my picks for best attractions at Hersheypark. What are your favorites? Let me know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe for more theme park fun. I'm Shaun from Come Along with Shaun, and I will see you soon.